Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix payment revision needed on Amazon. Now this is a very common problem. Now before we start the tutorial, I just want to show you the reasons why you have this problem. As you can see inside the Amazon help center, it says here the reverse payment option could appear due to the following reasons: your payment failed and transaction wasn't completed, or the bank declined your payment, or you accidentally closed or refreshed the page or pressed the backspace button while the transaction was being processed by your bank. And also the connection between Amazon and your bank failed to the technical reasons and the transaction couldn't complete. Okay, so to fix this, it's very simple. Just go to your own Amazon on the app or Amazon on your laptop. It doesn't really matter. This will work for both devices. So first you want to move your mouse here where it says account in the top right, and then click on account. Now it's going to take you to this page. You just need to click here where it says your payments. Okay, here it says your payments, click on it. After that you want to log in, just log in into your Amazon account. Now after you log in, you will be able to see this page. Now as you can see, you have added a MasterCard debit card, okay, but there is a problem with this. Okay, you can either delete it and add it again, but you have to contact the bank like I said, or just check these reasons, see what you can do to fix the previous card. But if you have another card, you can fix this problem quickly by clicking on add the payment method here, and then you want to add which type of payment method you want. You can add credit card, debit cards, you can add personal checking accounts. Now for now I am going to add the credit card or debit card. Click on it, and then you just need to enter here the card number. Okay, just add here the card number. After that you want to click on link your cards. You can also choose a bank, choose here US bank, and then click on add here. Now that's all you need to do to add the card into your own Amazon account so that you can start paying without any problem. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.